Thanks a lot, Tara, and good morning to you. Well, we have been seeing rain move into North Mississippi and West Alabama over the last several hours, and it will continue to become more widespread and heavy at times as we head into our Wednesday and into our Thursday, all thanks to all this moisture we have out to our west and down south in the Gulf, where we are awaiting the arrival of Hurricane Zeta on the Gulf Coast. It is continuing to strengthen and getting its act together, currently with winds at 90 miles per hour, still a Category 1, but it is projected to become a Category 2 storm before making landfall somewhere along the Louisiana coastline sometime later today. This is the last thing our friends in Louisiana need. This is going to be the 5th landfalling storm for them alone in 2020. Once it makes landfall and moves inland, it's going to weaken to a tropical storm and move just to the east of the WCBI viewing area, sparing us from the brunt of this storm, and then it's going to quickly move through the eastern seaboard and back out into the Atlantic by Friday. Right now we have hurricane warnings, tropical storm warnings in effect for the Gulf Coast, more inland into Alabama and Georgia, just to the east of the WCBI viewing area, especially areas along and south of I-20 and 59. They're going to be under tropical storm watches due to the fact they're going to be getting tropical storm force winds at 40 to 60 miles per hour. Flooding, heavy rain, and unfortunately, since they're going to be on the active, more eastern side of the storm, they are under the threat also for some quick spin-up tropical tornadoes. Again, they're going to be dealing with wind gusts, the severe weather threat, as well as the Storm Prediction Center has them under a level 1 to level 2 risk of severe weather, especially along the Gulf Coast on the Alabama, Florida Panhandle, and more inland into Alabama and into far western Georgia. For us here, we could be dealing with rainfall amounts anywhere from about 1 upwards to 3, maybe 4 inches of rain at times. But again, we could be dealing with some gusty winds up to 30 miles per hour at times, since we're going to be on the western weaker side of the storm. And we're just going to continue to get a lot of rain. You see the wet roads out there this morning. In downtown Tupelo on Main Street, low-level clouds on our Alpha Insurance Skycam in Tupelo. Heading into downtown Columbus, 5th Street, roads are wet out there as well, so slow down and take your time as you're getting to work and school this morning. Temperatures, though, have been on the mild side in the 60s into the lower 70s this morning. Here's one final check of your day planner for today. The clouds and the rain will continue throughout the day today. Into tonight, temperatures will top out in the 70s. We have a warm front on top of us. That's why we're seeing the clouds, the mist, and the rain today. Zeta will be making landfall in just a few hours, and then we'll be dealing with the effects of it late tonight into Thursday. Everything should be out of here by Thursday afternoon, and we are in for a very nice, sunny, cooler weekend ahead for us just in time for Halloween.